we have signs of this. We are gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If you wanna let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Aww, let's do it again. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If you wanna let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Ooh, we really wanted this. This is one of our favorite ones. So we're gonna do this one. Mama wants a cake, which wants a tie shoe. If you want a tie shoe, it's a blue shoe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If you wanna let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Woohoo! Let's do it. These are all the ones we have. This one, this one, this one. And this is what we made. And this is comment, subscribe, or like for this one. Looks like Roblox. This one. That's if it looks like a blue wolf. Comment. Just like. No comment. No comment. Dislike. Dislike. Please dislike for that. It looks bad. Please dislike. Please. Look at these. It's amazing. This. A rabbit and a turtle. And this one. And this one. Okay, now so
Which color
put
you
it
want?
pink.
Which pink you want?
I really want this. Oh, this.
Oh, the glittery one.
Yeah, I really love this one. Look, we're gonna do this glittery. If you can't see, I'll just put it in the tweezers. Look, it's so glittery. I love it. My favorite. I know these ones are good. They're same.
Here. Oh no, we are putting all different color or each letter one color.
Each little,
One color.
no, pink
All
and blue.
different.
No, pink and blue, and everyone. Pink and blue and everyone. We're gonna find some more. Okay, now we're finding some more. We're gonna put it in this pile. We find so much, and then we're gonna find some more. Even if we find gold or blue, anyone, because I'm really finding for blue. So I think I found some
Use
for
one of
here.
this color.
So I'm gonna find it. Okay, now we're gonna find this peach colorish, and it doesn't have any glitter. You see? See? Okay, show it to this.
We cannot show that.
Okay, lean it down, so they can see. Okay, good. You could show it. Okay, good. We're gonna use this silver. It's a very glitter. I don't want the peach.
Yeah.
We don't want the peach, so we are doing these silver ones. Yeah, these silver ones are so sparkly. I love them. Look how satisfying. We are gonna write this name. Viva Utella. It's my name, Vibartella. So we're just making a name for me. Yeah. You can always make a name if you want to have questions. Just tell me right now. Parishioners or anything could watch this. Or your dad or mom. They can always write their names. Could have these beads. They're called as, I think, marshmallows. No, they're not those. Those are different ones. I think they're different ones and I don't know where those called. And I'll just show you the buckets so you know. It are these ones with creative ones. We have lots. And we're only taking the silver ones. We're just finding them. We're just finding all of the silver ones, so some fun. And here are the silver ones. We're gonna find these ones too. Any of the buckets, and those are the sparkling ones only. And these are the only sparkling ones. They're not. All the sparkling ones are everywhere. So I just need to find the sparkly ones. Just can't find all of them because they're hard to find all each of the colors you need. Because they don't come in a set. They come with these ones. With these microscopic things. They're so fun. This, a bunny. A turtle. Oh, a bunny. Look, we could put those beads inside them. A turtle, the same thing. You could put things in. And also a square you could put things in. And you could make the same things. I used this to make with this. And I use this to make with this. If this looks like a Roblox, just comment. If this looks like a rat, if this looked like a blue wolf, comment. Or like, or subscribe, and anything. Subscribe. You see them coming down and have a satisfying sound. You don't know which one to do yet, so let's have some fun. If you're having some fun with these things, if you're bored, just go to my link. Viva Quiz. Or just Viva Utala. Huh. It has a picture on me with me. My mom. And this cat talking my right voice. So let's play tic-tac-toe. I want to play tic-tac-toe with these. If you want to play tic-tac-toe, just comment. We have lots of videos on our profile. Ah. I also have lots beads in this thing. There are 6,000 of them. You could do any of them, even 6. Yeah, there's a lot of Michaels. If there's a lot of Michaels, comment below. So if there is any in Michaels, I love to see. And about the set in Michaels. You never believe how many are in the Michaels shop. There's like 6. Or maybe like 7. No, 8. Yeah, and one is with the pack and it doesn't have lot of things. And I hope you like all of them. Now we're cleaning everything up. You're happy to see.
See, I got only that much pink.
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't think we'll be able to complete your whole name in that.
Yeah. Almost on 20 of them in my hand. And find one of these greens. What color?
I think this should be good. Let's pack it.
Ugh. Okay, now you're packing everything up. So, what is next? What is your talking about today? So, we are gonna use a square one for my name, which is called Viva. Okay. And we were using it almost like 13 days, I think. Or, yeah, 30. So, one day, there's a little girl who named Viva. It was me. And then she said, "It was me. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no." She didn't say it. She was singing. If only wanted kids to hear the story. Go to the library, get a book, then go to the flowers, then get one more book. Nice. So anyone want to have this book today? It's called The Little Princess. The little princess goes outside. Let your kid come and listen to the story. It's a nice story, okay? One day there was a little girl. Her name was Princess Little. The little princess went outside and had some fun. It was going to be in the library. She was really sad. She started to hop and hippy hop and hippy hop. She started to hip and hop and hippy hop. And then the little princess had a really fun day with all she could have absorbed with her family, her things she made, all her presents she made. If it's not a book, listen, Little Princess is the froggy one. Okay, we're gonna go through the story. If you have this book at home, you could have the unicorn ones or the Little Princess or Chicken Little. You could have any one. Because I think it has the horsey one. I think. So, we're going to have the story now. If you have the book, I'm tired of if it's not there, sorry, it's not a story. Well, if it's a story, comment below, please. Okay, ready? Oh no, I messed it up, I think.